Hey, in this video, we'll talk about whether or not Bitmart is legit. This is a series video that requires some attention. So before we start, just give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new. It really helps out. We are at 14,100 subscribers. We just hit 14K 2 days ago, and it's really helpful if you subscribe. So is Bitmart legit? I know a lot of you guys are wondering, so I've pulled up some data and a review. By the way, all of this is alleged. I have, there's no financial advice. I'm just going to read some reviews on Trustpilot, and it seems that there's some mixed opinion. There's a lot of bad reviews. It is kind of concerning. 26 minutes ago, I just sent USDT from Binance to Bitmart, and it was perfect. Okay, they send money, but look what happens with withdrawals. Allegedly, from Ribo, it says, stay away from here. I have been trying to withdraw, but never received SMS or email verification. Try to contact chat support. They just keep you in queue. Horrible experience. Some say it's good. So yeah, there's some mixed opinions. I suggest you look up more reviews online before making your decision. I have no opinion on this matter, but I just want to show you what I found online. They also haven't claimed their Trustpilot website, but if Bitmart wants to contact me and show me some proof, they're real, some withdrawal proof, I would gladly put it on my channel. If the video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one. Bye.